Hi friends, it's Miss Kim again. I hope you're doing well. I'm at home just like you're at home, and I'm going to read a bunch of books today. I'm so excited. It doesn't have to be boring at home. You can read books, you can play inside with your family or by yourself sometimes. There's so many activities. So today I'm choosing books. I can't wait to read you this book. It's my son's favorite book from when he was little. And isn't it a cute little puppy? So let's hear about this cute little puppy and the adventures he gets into. Hi, my name is Popcorn. I'm a golden retriever puppy. It's time to get up, Popcorn. What shall I do today? Shall I go for a walk? It's a good idea. What's that over there? It's a ball. A bright, shiny ball. But who's going to play with me? I wonder where Smudge is. There he is. Smudge is busy chewing on a shoe. Would you like to play with my ball, Smudge? We are hungry now. That's my ball, Smudge. Let's both have dinner. Now we're feeling sleepy. That's not a hat, Smudge. It's a dog bed. What a long day it's been. Time for a nice, quiet snooze. The end. Thanks for listening to my book about popcorn.